Right now this large crane is right in front of the main gate. They brought it down from over there. So something's happening with this crane. Tomorrow there's a bunch of road closures most of the day. So maybe they're planning to bring something huge down the road, or several things. It's Wednesday night. They also have the 7th section hooked up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th section hooked up and ready to lift, looks like. So that's probably scheduled for tomorrow. Something else is going to be coming down the road. And that's it for the evening. A lot to look forward to tomorrow. SpaceX Starbase, June 30th, 2021.